Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious banana bread using only a microwave oven. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 1 very ripe banana, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and 1 egg. Also, have 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder ready. Make sure you have a microwave-safe mug or small bowl for mixing and cooking. Now, let's get mixing. Start by mashing your ripe banana directly in the microwave-safe mug. Next, add the 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, the single egg, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Gently stir all these ingredients together until they are just combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter. A few small lumps are perfectly fine for a tender texture. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Carefully place the mug containing your banana bread batter into the microwave oven. Cook it on high power for approximately 1 minute and 30 seconds. After this time, check the bread. The top should look set and spring back slightly when gently touched. If it still seems too wet, microwave for an additional 15 seconds, but no more. Congratulations, your microwave banana bread is ready. Carefully remove the hot mug from the microwave oven using oven mitts or a towel. Allow the banana bread to cool in the mug for about 2 to 3 minutes before serving. You can enjoy it warm as is, or add a sprinkle of cinnamon or a small dollop of whipped cream. This quick, single-serving treat is perfect anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.